Learn how to master a big bouncy 90s blow dry. We start by applying mousse to damp hair, making sure we brush the product from roots to ends. We take our first section in the fringe zone. Our sections will be the size of our brush or slightly larger. Using a medium-sized brush, we direct our section straight up, stretching and smoothing the hair cuticle whilst winding the brush down the section to create a curl in the hair. Depending on how many brushes you own, you could leave your brushes in. I am using a Velcro to set my first section, securing the Velcro with small clips. We repeat the same process with our next section, stretching and smoothing the hair before setting. You could spray each section with a light hairspray for extra hold. I start in the top and front zones as it will allow more time for the hair to set, ensuring we get the ultimate result where we want to see it most. We now repeat the same process in the side zones. The top zone has 2 sections and each side zone has 1. Using a medium-sized brush will create the perfect effortless bounce. If your guest's hair cut has shorter layers, you can blow dry them in multiple sections and then set them together. If you don't have enough brushes or Velcro rollers, you could set your sections with sectioning clips. We repeat the same process on both sides. Taking larger sections will create a soft, big, bouncy result and also increase your speed dramatically. This blow dry takes me less than 20 minutes on the salon floor and is my go-to with all hair textures. Perfect blowout for long and medium hair lengths. We complete the front zone with 4 simple sections. In the back zone, we repeat the same process working up the head shape. You will notice I focus on smoothing and stretching the hair before I start bending and styling the hair. This will ensure a beautiful smooth bounce. If you wanted the hairstyle to last longer, I would blow dry from wet to dry. This may take more time, however it will guarantee long-lasting results. Perfect for fine, thin hair textures. My guest has very long, thick, slightly wavy hair texture. I find it easier and quicker to blow dry her hair with a ceramic brush as her hair is pre-lightened and the texture smooths out faster compared to a bristle brush. The back zone is complete in only 5 sections. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see more styling tutorials like this on my channel. I now use my diffuser with cool airflow to set the hair, making sure every section has had time to set. This is the most important part. This will determine the impact and durability of the blow dry. Let me know in the comments below where you're watching from, and do you call this a blowout or a blow dry? Once the hairstyle has had time to set, I start taking out my sections. This is the perfect time to get your guests excited about the bounce in their hairstyle. A 90s blowout is all about achieving big, voluminous, bouncy hair with soft waves and a glamorous finish. Here are some tips to create the perfect 90s blowout. Start with the right prep. Clean damp hair with heat protectant and styling prep, being mousse. Use a round brush. A larger barrel will give you more volume, a smaller barrel will give you less but a tighter curl. Cool down the hair and make sure it's set to ensure longevity in your blowout. To style, I am using a small amount of serum, working it through the mid, lengths to ends. If you wanted bigger hair, you could use texture spray or a light hairspray. This is my go-to big bouncy 90s blowout. If you've learned something new and if you value my work, please hit the like and subscribe icons. This blowout works best with face framing layers to help define the look and to create more movement. And if you love this tutorial, you should watch this one next, where I will teach you how to tongue big epic waves like this. You can find the link in the card above or in the bio below.